Why do some people work less but earn more? The answer is financial literacy. Most people are stuck in the rat race, trading time for money, working for a paycheck. The rich, however, build systems where money works for them. This is the hidden wealth loop, a cycle where money generates more money, even while you sleep. My rich dad taught me about the Cashflow Quadrant: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Employees and self-employed work for money. When they stop, so does their income. Business owners and investors build assets that generate passive income. The goal? Move from the left side of the quadrant to the right. Schools teach us to be employees, not investors. The rich play a different game, building assets, not just earning paychecks. Learn the rules, build your wealth loop, and step onto the right side of the quadrant. The journey to financial freedom starts with this mindset shift. Many believe a high-paying job equals wealth. That's a myth. My poor dad earned well, but high expenses kept him trapped in the rat race. Income is temporary. Wealth is measured in time, how long you can live without working. True wealth is when your assets generate enough passive income to cover your expenses. The poor and middle class are taught to save, but inflation erodes savings. The rich keep money moving, investing in assets that produce more income. Employees earn, pay bills, and save a little. Money flows in and out with no growth. Investors direct income into assets, creating a system that multiplies money. The key difference? Mindset. One sees money as something to spend or save. The other sees it as a seed to plant. Don't just work for money. Make your money work for you. Break the myth and start building real wealth. That's the path to financial freedom. The hidden wealth loop is a 4-step process. Earn, invest, borrow, reinvest. First, earn income, your seed money. Next, invest in assets that put money in your pocket. Rental properties, dividend stocks, or businesses. The third step is to borrow, using good debt to acquire more income-producing assets. The rich use assets as collateral to access more capital, leveraging other people's money. Finally, reinvest. Use borrowed funds to buy more assets, increasing your passive income. Repeat the cycle. Earn, invest, borrow, reinvest. Each turn of the loop accelerates your wealth. The poor fear debt, the rich use it as a tool. The difference is financial education and strategy. Start the loop and let your money multiply itself. This is how the rich build lasting wealth. The process is simple. What matters is taking action. Let's see how this works in real life. Sarah, a graphic designer, saves $20,000 and uses it as a down payment on a rental flat. Her rental income covers expenses and gives her $250 in passive income each month. As the property value grows, she builds equity. She borrows $40,000 against her equity using the bank's money, not her own. Sarah reinvests by buying 2 more rental properties. Now she controls $330,000 in real estate, with only $20,000 of her own money. Her passive income triples, but her workload doesn't. Over time, she repeats the process, building more assets and more income. Eventually, her passive income surpasses her salary. She's financially free, her assets work for her. This is the power of using other people's money. It's how the rich get richer. Don't have $20,000 to start. That's not an excuse, it's a mindset. You can begin the wealth loop with small amounts. Start with dividend-paying stocks or REITs. Some require as little as $50. Buy shares, collect dividends and reinvest them. Use a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, to grow your holdings automatically. Each reinvestment increases your future income, a snowball effect. Feed your money machine monthly, even with small amounts. Consistency is key. Turn active income into passive income assets. As your portfolio grows, so does your cash flow. Eventually you can leverage your assets to accelerate growth. The journey starts with a single step. Take it today. Wealth is built by starting small and staying committed. Begin now and let your money work for you. Wealth is 80% mindset, 20% mechanics. The rich manage fear with financial education. The poor let fear stop them. Train your mind, read, learn, and invest in your financial knowledge. Every mistake is a lesson, not a failure. Shift from consumer to owner. Buy assets, not liabilities. Delay gratification. Let your assets pay for luxuries later. Change your language. Ask, how can I afford it, instead of I can't. Say, my money works for me, not I work for my money. Financial education reduces risk and opens opportunities. The rich see problems as chances to grow. Your words shape your actions. Choose them wisely. Adopt the mindset of the wealthy and your actions will follow. That's the foundation of lasting financial success. 1 year from now, will you still be working for a paycheck, or will you own a money machine? The hidden wealth loop isn't a secret, it's a strategy anyone can use. The old system, work hard, save, hope for retirement, is broken. It's time to make money work for you. Start with financial education. Read, listen, and learn the language of money. Create a plan to set aside money for assets, no matter how small. Take action. Buy your first share. Invest in a REIT. Start your money machine. The journey is a marathon. Expect challenges and learn from mistakes. You can be a spectator or a player in the game of money. Choose to build a system where your money works for you. The hidden wealth loop is your playbook. The game is waiting. Make your move. Start your journey to true financial freedom today.